Is Johnny Depp a Muslim? No, but Captain Jack Sparrow is actually based on a real Muslim, a revert brother who used to be a pirate under the command of the Queen of England attacking Spanish armadas. But when the Spanish and the British made peace, he became a Muslim, moved to Tunisia, and his love for birds got him the name Jack Asfour, Jack Birdie, Asfour being the sparrow. And that's where Jack Sparrow comes from. You can look him up yourself. He was born Jack Ward, and he ended up being a Muslim named Yusuf Rais. And he was such a practicing Muslim towards the end of his life that he gave up pirateering, he gave up alcohol, he married a revert Muslimah sister, Jasmina the Sicilian, who was also a revert. And practicing Islam, he saved many Muslims and Jews by taking them from Spain during the Inquisition and taking them to northern Africa to be saved. So even though Jack Sparrow did start out as a drunk pirate, alhamdulillah, the real Captain Jack Sparrow ended up as Yusuf Rais, the Muslim captain in the Ottoman Navy from Tunisia.